Are you tired of digging through Odoo's menus just to send one invoice? Learn to create a polished invoice from start to finish in under 4 minutes. I'll walk you through every click, from opening accounting to confirming the invoice, so you never feel lost in the interface. Navigate to the home page of your Odoo instance, where you'll see the main dashboard with all the apps. Then, click on the Accounting app to open the accounting dashboard. Now, at the top bar, click on Customers to see the customer-related options. Then, click on Invoices to go to the list of invoices. At the top left corner, click on New to start creating a brand new invoice. First, select the customer for this invoice by picking them from the drop-down list. Next, enter the invoice date, which is the date the invoice is issued. Then, set the due date or choose the payment terms to define when payment is expected. Now, to add the products or services, click on Add a Line in the Invoice Line section. Then, select the specific product or service you want to invoice from the list. Before confirming, review the invoice total to make sure all amounts are correct. Finally, click on Confirm at the top left corner to finalize the invoice. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.